of illegals. Roll tape.
Democrats put illegal immigrants before they put American citizens. What the hell is going on? Illegal immigration costs our country hundreds of billions of dollars. So imagine if we could spend that money to help bring opportunity to our inner cities and our rural communities and our roads and our highways and our schools.
He goes right at it. The cost is hundreds of billions of dollars. New report claims illegal immigrations cost taxpayers a more precise number, $113 billion. That report says the burden falls mostly on urban African Americans. Joining us now is Horace Cooper. He's with the National Center for Public Policy Research. All right, Horace, first of all, how did you arrive at that number, $113 billion, and why do you say that it mostly hurts African Americans?
What we've done is we've asked the feds, the OMB, to tell us what they're spending at the federal level, and we're also looked at what state governments have represented that they're spending at the state and local level. That brings you to $113 billion. $85 billion of which is being done at the state and local level. The reason that we know that working people and many African Americans are ending up paying for this is that most state governments use regressive taxation. They use excise taxes, they use sales taxes, they use property taxes. Some of them, but not the majority, use progressive income taxes. The result of that is that, generally speaking, the beneficiaries of social programs and state and local level end up actually paying for it. But with the influx of illegal immigration, what you have is poor and black people pay for the services, but then they have to get in line behind illegals who are using the services as much or more than they can.
So is your organization calling on Congress to ban illegals from receiving public aid?
There's already a soft ban in effect. We're asking to harden that for emergencies only and to also get state and local governments to agree that they're not going to do the same thing. It is fundamentally unfair to have to pay for these social programs that you don't get to use, and if you're independent and you want to work for yourself, these illegals compete with you and they can underbid you.
If you're right that the cost of illegals is borne largely by urban African Americans, why are those African Americans giving maximum support to the same political party, the Democrats, to which the Hispanics give maximum political support? Why are they in the same party?
Well, one of the problems is that there's very little understanding or appreciation of what's going on. Our report is intended to make sure people understand. Liberals like Nancy Pelosi have been taking Black America for granted for decades. Now, we're seeing and we're showing that Black Americans are actually having to pay the bill for the fancy ideas and schemes that are not working for America.
All right, Horace, you went right at it, and we like that. Thanks for joining us, sir. Horace Cooper. We'll see you again soon. Thanks, Horace.
Thank you.
Now this, got a new report, and it suggests